Hello you guys, what's good? Welcome back. I want to give a Kawaii Gang shout out to Mary Roberts, Rain Carpenter, My Life on the Hill, and Emily's Fun. Thank you guys so much for being the first to comment on my last video. Thank you so much to everyone who tries to make it to these videos. So in today's video, I'm unboxing that new Makartt Jelly Glitter Polygel kit. I also have this Makartt primer, Dehydrator and primer. It's a two-step kit, and I feel like this is something that could be very helpful for beginners. Maybe you don't want to go and invest in the Young Nails Swipe and the Young Nails Protein Bond. Those are my personal choice of dehydrator and primer, but they're going to be a bit more expensive. So if you want to buy everything all in one place, I'm just showing you guys that you can. So on screen, I just kind of simulated how you would prep your nails by pushing back your cuticles, etching up the natural nail with a hand file. If you want to use a cuticle bit, you can go in with the cuticle bit, and then you will wipe away all of the dust and dirt with some alcohol, and then apply your dehydrator step and your primer step, and then a layer of base coat gel and cure. I'm going to do a wear test using this dehydrator and primer on my sister. So when it's time for me to do her fill in 2 weeks, I'll try it on her, and if it doesn't give her lifting, then it's a good product, and then I can really fully recommend it to you guys, but I wanted to show it to you anyway. So this is the kit. I love the box. It has this very like shimmery, metallic, soft matte look to it. All of the products have this kind of like soft sheen on them. They're not really shiny. So I'm comparing that shiny gel brush from another kit to the matte brush so you can kind of see the difference. So this kit has 4 polygel colors. I'm going to swatch them out for you guys. A base coat and a top coat, a polygel brush, and a hand file, dual forms. I noticed that this kit did not have a slip solution, so if you're interested in this kit, you would need a slip solution. You can also use alcohol or the base coat gel that comes with the kit. So these are all the colors swatched out. They have like very micro, tiny holographic glitters mixed into it. And there's definitely a difference to me between the glitter being mixed into something or the glitter being applied on top of something. After like doing these nails and looking at them, I can definitely see how this looks different than if I just applied like a hollow glitter on top. It would look a little bit different. So I do like the effect of having the glitter mixed into the polygel. I think the color selection is so nice. I'm going in with some nail forms today. These are the Enail Couture nail forms, and I'm going to sculpt my nails. I'm using slip solution, but again, you can use whatever slip that you personally prefer. So with nail forms, I like to start by creating my little platform. So this is going to be the first like thin layer, the first kind of like bead or kind of like strip of polygel that you put down. You're just gonna make a thin, rough shape of what you want and cure that. And at that point, I like to remove the form. I kind of feel like if I leave the form on for the whole building up of the entire nail, I kind of over apply the product a little bit. So I like to remove the form after this step, and that's something you got to do really carefully because the nail is still very thin. It could break. So I'm flash curing with that Makartt lamp I showed you guys in my previous video, and I actually do like it. I used it for the entire set, like to flash cure the entire set, and I think it did a pretty good job for that. So after that has been flash cured and I took the form off carefully, I'm going to go in with my second bead right on the stress area and blend it in. And then after that's done, I'm going to top coat the top of the nail and the underside so that I can get rid of that tacky layer quickly. And I will just keep doing the same thing for all the fingers. The last 2 fingers on this hand are gonna be ombre. So when I go in with that second bead for the apex, it's gonna be a different color, and I'm just gonna blend it down into the platform color basically. So you guys are gonna see me placing a white heart glitter on my pinky when we get to my pinky, but I didn't get to show how I capped it. I just applied 2 layers of top coat, curing between each layer, and that was enough to cap that glitter. So that's how I did that. Alright, so after everything is applied, I'm going to get into the filing. I ended up making these quite a bit shorter. Sometimes I like to make the nails a little bit longer on the form so I can go in and create a straight across cut with my e-file, but you don't have to necessarily do that. Now I'm just going in with the hand file after I e-filed away the bulk of the product, and the hand files that are coming with these kits lately are very good. I love the one that came in this kit, and I really like the one that came in the builder kit that I used last time. They're very, very good to me. And then after that, I washed my hands, and now I'm just doing that final top coat. I'm gonna wipe down the sides to maintain the shape because sometimes I apply a lot of gel, so I wanna like clean up my sidewalls again because they get a little bit wonky looking. So this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know down below. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. If any of you are new, please subscribe and hit that bell. Thank you so much to my patrons, and please stay tuned for a little shout out to an Instagram business that sent me a product to try out. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye. Hey guys, I want to give a quick shout out to my friend on Instagram who makes these slides. She is a nail tech, nail artist, and she also sells t-shirts and cute slides. And the theme is very like nail inspired and just cute kawaii girl stuff. And I'll have her link down below. She sent me these adorable shoes. I just did an acrylic set on my toes like maybe a week ago. So I'm gonna go outside with these on so you can see what they look like with my little toes. Honey, I'm a perfect 10, whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10, whoa, whoa. And if I say